High-value fruits deserve high-precision packing. For pomegranate arils, every gram counts, especially when even small overweighing can mean significant cost over a season. This weigh and fill machine ensures accuracy down to just a few grams, combining speed, consistency, and gentle handling. Built from stainless steel and designed for maximum hygiene, the machine offers tool-free access, allowing key components to be easily removed and cleaned separately, saving valuable production time. Once weighed, the product moves seamlessly to the integrated tray sealer, which locks in freshness, extends shelf life, and ensures reliable seal for every package. Together, the weigh and fill system and tray sealer create a compact, efficient line that optimizes workflow and maintains product integrity from start to finish. Discover how we can help you reduce waste, save time, and deliver quality in every package. Contact us today to learn more.